grounding technique. Start tapping through your points and open your eyes as you start to notice the room. Feel the weight on your seat or chair. Notice your legs against that surface. Do you feel your feet touching the floor? Notice your feet. Are you barefoot? Are you wearing socks, shoes? What color are your socks? Now notice the floor. Is there carpet, bare floor, tile? What color is the floor? And now notice the walls in the room. Are there pictures or paintings on the walls? Is there wallpaper? What color are they? Notice any noises or sounds around you. Can you hear anything? Tune into those noises or sounds now. Now take a nice deep breath into your belly. Continue tapping through all your points and keep looking around you. Now take another breath and count to 5 as you exhale. And then take another breath all the way down into your legs. And take a breath and then count to 5 as you exhale again. And when you're ready, take another breath all the way down to your feet and feel that connection with the ground. Now stand up and tap on your collarbone points or on any of your favorite spots. If it feels comfortable to do so, shake your body and your hands. Notice your feet on the ground. If you still feel ungrounded, stomp your feet on the ground. Now take another deep breath, and you can stop tapping and relax and come back to the present moment, feeling more grounded and more aware of the present space. And this is the end of the grounding recording.